Welcome to part two. Yeah. What's that? 12.50. We're about to part three. Helpston Crossing. My support worker Annie. I said on Wednesday I go to the Cardiff Queensy and South Wales and the Class 308. Looking forward to that. I'm going to bring the train at depot. And with my support worker here, I go to London on the train ticket to the pre-train being tested. I wait for the Class 91 to go by that way. I like when the engine goes vroom, it goes by.
What time's that going past?
About 12 something, I think. I was day like this, nice and breezy on Wednesday. How's that? 12.53. How's that? 12.59. How's that? 101. How's that? 103. How's that? 110. Aye. So you were about to have a birthday. You don't mention about there's one here that way. You don't know who he is. What's that? 116. You actually we belong in it. This is a class 80302 going from London King's Cross to London Queen Street. What's that? 118. Here are my support worker. I'll see you on Wednesday, Cardiff Queen Street and Tough Wells on the class 398, 398 to be at the depot. And this is one of the support worker go with Ali go to see the plantation testing on Wednesday, second. I see you on Wednesday. God bless.
See you Wednesday.
See you next Wednesday. You say.
See you next Wednesday.
I see you Wednesday. I can't decrease the end Tough Wells.